everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your local internet auntie, Auntie Ren, here again with another video. Thank you so much for returning. If you're new here, welcome to the crazy that is me. Today I am going to be doing an unboxing, guys. I'm so excited for this unboxing. This has been one of my wish list items for a couple of months now, honestly, and it's weird because it's not a new item at all. It's not new. This is something that has been out for quite some time now, but and I saw it, you know, I've seen it, and I wasn't really paying it any mind, and then all of a sudden, like a mad woman, I had to have this item, and I could not get it anywhere. It was sold out online, sold out in the country, called the customer service number, called about to different stores, and I just could not get my hands on it. And let me tell you guys, I got it. I tried to get this in the birthday haul, in my massive birthday haul, and if you haven't seen that video, I'll link it up below, up above in the iCards, so you can see that. But I tried to get it into that, and unfortunately it was shipped, didn't make it in time, and I wanted to get that video out in September, in my birthday month, so I was not able to get it into that haul, but we have it here now. And even though October is a no-buy month for me, I am on Ban Island for the month of October, I still have this unboxing to do for you, and I'm so excited. So yeah, so okay, let's get to it. So I have it here on the on the floor here. Okay, and then a little bit of a backstory with how I was able to get it, because you're going to say, well, how did you get it if it was so hard to get, sold out online, sold out you know, when you call customer service, no more in the country, how were you able to get it? Well, guys, this is the power of friendship, the power of networking. This amazing fellow YouTuber, and now I call my friend, honestly, her name is It's Schex. Her channel is It's Schex, and I'll link it down below so you guys can get to her. She has been just the most supportive. I've met just the most supportive and amazing people since I started this journey on YouTube, but she's just one of those exceptional people that, I mean, has been like super supportive, shares information, it always has something great and positive to say. So anyway, we were talking through IG, just sending DMs and so on, and I'm like, oh, I'm looking for this item and I can't get it. It's sold out everywhere. I really wanted it for my birthday and I wasn't able to get it. And she was like, really, what item? And I told her what it was, and she was like, oh, okay, well, let me contact my SA and see, you know, see if they have it. Guys, within seconds, she was messaging me back and like, oh my gosh, we have it. You know, do you want the number? Do you want my SA's number? Are you ready now? Like, are you money ready? And I was like, girl, ching, take my money. I am ready. So, so it literally happened like within minutes. The next day I was able, because it was late when we were talking, the next day I was able to place my order, and then and she was able to ship it out through her SA, which I don't know if I'm allowed to say the SA's name or anything. I don't know if she wants people like bombarding her SA, but oh my gosh, like, just amazing. She did not have to do that. She did not have to reach out to her SA. We were literally just having like casual conversation. She's so amazing. You know, if you're watching this and you ever wanted to start a YouTube channel, or you ever thought like, you know, you just have like this dream or whatever, this passion project to do something like this, and you don't know how you'll be received, or you don't know how it would be, or what have you. I can't speak for anybody else or any other I guess genre within YouTube, but within the Luxe community, the people that I have met have been absolutely amazing. So it's Schex, which aka Francesca, and I'll also link her Instagram. Amazing. Check out her channel for sure. Like, I know, I'm like, I told her, I was like, when I do this video, I'm literally going to be like just gushing about you, that you're just amazing. But guys, you know, really just go over and support her, just for like women, just supporting women, just amazing empowerment, just amazing, just support, like really, oh my gosh, she's just amazing. So anyway, so here it is. Okay, so I'm gonna open it. I've had this in my possession, guys, for like a couple of days now, so, and I haven't opened it because I was saving it to open here with you. So okay, so we're gonna do this. Hopefully this won't take too long. But I have not seen it. I've not even seen this item in person. Okay, here we go. I hope I'm not flashing you guys my address. Probably am. Yeah, probably. I'll see if I can block that out. So okay, here it is. Now this came straight from the store, so this was not through the website. So this is straight from the store. Oh, I opened it upside down. All right, no worries. Okay, let me get it right side. Ooh. Okay. So that's it. Just some just tissue paper in here. No ribbon. I'm side-eyeing you, Louis Vuitton, but no ribbon. And it's a magnetic box. So give it a go. We're gonna open it up. Ooh. Guys, I see it already. Oh my gosh. Okay, wait. Okay. So there is a little receipt book in here. Oh, and it has the SA's name and, you know, my receipt, proof of purchase, and the SA's business card. And this is not in my state, guys. This was like in a totally different state. She had to send it to me. Oh, it's here, it's here, it's here. It's got a little sticker on the back, which is the item, like product code and everything. Guys, can you guess? Can you guess? Can you guess what it is? Can you guess? If you guess, comment down below if you guessed, if you can guess. Ready? Oh my God, I'm so nervous. Oh my gosh. Okay, ready? Oh, guys, are you sick? Ah! Wait, it's the Alma BB. Oh my gosh, guys. Yes. Oh my gosh. Okay, wait, you know, I'm seeing this the first time, just like you. So I am looking at it and looking it over. I am, oh my gosh, obsessed. I'm so obsessed. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. All right, well, it's bigger than I thought it was going to be honest. Because, you know, Auntie Ren's a big girl, okay? We're luscious, we're large, we're in charge, full-figured, all of the good things that you want to say about the curvaceousness that's going on over here. So I did think it was going to be a little smaller. I thought it was a smaller bag, but this is actually, this is darling. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, wait, let's give it an open. We're gonna open it up. So there is a lock on it. I don't normally wear my bags with the locks on it, so that's going to be yet to be seen if I leave the lock on it. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, here's the strap, which it's not adjustable, which I know. I've seen enough reviews on this bag to know that this is not an adjustable strap. So I will put some cutaways, guys. You know how I do with me trying this on. I'll try to also have it on crossbody so we can see what it looks like on my frame. And just for reference, I am 5'7". I wear size 16, 18 US or XXL. Like this dress, for example, is an XXL from H&M. So just to give you an idea of my, you know, size and my measurements. There is a little bag in here, a little sack. What's in the sack? So it's just this little thingy here, and it's just the product card with the code, which is N41221. So it's just the little code, and the textile card, which says coated fabric, cowhide leather trim, man-made lining. So that's it. I'm assuming this would be for the lock, to keep the lock safe in the event that I don't want to wear it on my bag. Oh my gosh, I'm like dying, guys. I'm just checking it out and just looking it over. It is that dull leather. I've heard people talk about it. I just actually watched a review from Jerusha, and you know, guys, you know how much I love Jerusha, but I just watched a review of, she was reviewing her bum bag that she recently added to her collection again, and she was talking about selling her Alma BB because the leather was just not what she was like looking for, that it was a little bit dull, it didn't have the right feel for what she was looking for. So I was prepared for this leather to look a little bit different. So they have changed the leather a bit on this item, and made it more matte and made it a little bit more, the feel of it, the coating is a little bit different. It definitely does not have that same kind of slippery feel, if you will. It is definitely a drier feel, if that makes sense. But I'm all right with that. I was prepared for the change, so it's not shocking to me. I do like it. I do feel like over time it will kind of get a little bit more sheen as it gets older and the oils from my hands and so on soften it up. I feel like it will soften up a bit. I love this little clochette. Is that what it's called? The clochette, I think. I'll look it up and make sure, but I love this little bit here, and I think that's where the keys are, if I'm not mistaken. Yes. So you just like push this. If you push it up, which of course is hard to do, but if you push it up there, then there's the key. The keys, you get a set of 2 of them inside there. You can have this personalized, which I probably will, depending, you know, if I decide to keep this long term, I definitely will. So it does, and a lot of people don't talk about this, it does have 2 extra hooks here, 2 extra D-rings attached to either side of the handle for the long strap. So you're not just attaching it to this square ring here that you that is attaching your handle. It's actually an extra D-ring that is sticking out there, and there's an extra D-ring on this reverse side, and that's what you would loop the longer strap to, the crossbody strap. So let's give it a go. Let's put the strap on. The strap is the same matte material as the rest of the bag, as the bottom, as the handles. It's that kind of matte feel. Jerusha did say it looked a little rubbery. I could see how she would say that. It does give off that feel. It does not smell rubbery though. Smells like leather. But so yeah, it does not smell rubbery, but I do see what she meant by it's giving off this kind of, you know, very matte, almost rubber-like look, and she wasn't really here for it. I like it. I think it looks a little contemporary. I think it kind of updates the bag just a little bit and makes it look a little bit more modern, if that makes sense. So I'm okay with that matte look. But guys, are you sick? Are you sick with this right now? I can't even. I just cannot wait to like get into this bad boy and wear it. I was looking for the, oh, look how beautiful the inside, sorry, the light just started catching the inside lining and it was like sparkling. I don't know if it's going to catch it for you guys, but oh my gosh, it's so good. That red lining looks so beautiful. There is a slip pocket inside. I wanted this bag because I wanted something that was going to be a little bit smaller than other items that I have in my collection, but a little bit bigger than, like, you know, a pochette accessoire, right? So a little bit bigger than that, but not a massive bag. My lifestyle has changed quite drastically in the last couple of months. I'm not going, you know, doing the same things that I was doing previously. So I don't need such a big bag. And I'm also going into the colder months here on the East Coast of the US. You know, we get, you know, very bad weather and so on. So I wanted something that was going to be durable and be a little bit weather resistant in the event that I was out in the elements. I don't have to worry about it. So I definitely was like looking for something like this, and it was like, why don't I have an Alma BB in my collection? Like, I feel like it's like, you know, one of those core pieces, like those core bags that you have to have, right? So I do now. I do now. So anyway, yeah, so this is my Alma BB, guys. So I'm going to do what's in my bag. I'm going to style it up for you guys. I'm going to do all those bits. I'll see if I can also include some cutaways where we can get just a little bit closer and look at it. I mean, the gold on it, the gold hardware is shiny. It's beautiful. I mean, it is just, you know what, and against that matte leather, I really, really like it. Like, it looks so modern. It looks so cool. I may just leave the lock, and I don't normally do that. I have Speedies and so on that I have the locks literally in storage, like in their boxes where I store the hardware, and I have them and I don't even use them because I just don't like the look of them hanging from the leather. But I kind of like this hanging from this little zipper tag, the zipper pull. These zipper pulls are humongous. Now Francesca from schex told me that she was having some problems with her zipper sticking. I'm not getting that really. Do you hear that, guys? Oh, it's really moving smooth. So I don't know, I have to go back and check her video where she talks about this one and see what she says about the zipper. But so far the zipper seems really good. I love the way it looks. It is flawless. There are no I'm not seeing anything that will make me alarmed. It has the gold feet at the bottom. Guys, guys. It is so cute. Oh my God. I can't wait to style this up. Anyway, so yeah, so that's pretty much it. Oh my gosh, comment down below if you have the Alma BB. Do you find this to be one of those core pieces? Is this a collection, like one of your like core collector pieces, like gotta have in your collection? Or is it a pass for you? Do you mind this matte leather? Or do you, you know, prefer the shiny leather that it had before, that coated ebene leather that it had before? Comment down below and let me know. I am so excited to play with this for the next month on Van Island. I will be playing with my Alma BB. Anyway, nieces, nephews, fellow aunties, thank you so much for stopping by for another one. I look forward to seeing you again. Talk to you soon.